Okay, right, so we've got, this is one of the questions that I've been asked quite a lot just recently. How to find d2y by dx squared if you've got something like x squared plus y squared is 20. Okay, and the 20 can vary, so I think that's how it varies. Right, so first of all we find dy by dx. No, we don't. Stop there. First of all, we differentiate. Well, it's in the process of finding dy by dx. So we say x squared plus y squared is 20. We differentiate this. X squared differentiates to 2x. Y squared differentiates to 2y, dy by dx. Okay, and 20 differentiates to 0. The y squared, that's an application of the chain rule. So what we do, it's y squared, if you think of it like this. So differentiate outside the bracket is 2y to the power 1, and then multiply by the derivative of inside the bracket, which is dy by dx, because we're differentiating with respect to x. Okay, so we rearrange this now. 2y dy by dx is minus 2x, and then divide by both sides by 2y. dy by dx is minus 2x over 2y. 2's cancel, which is minus x over y. Okay, so that's the first step, finding dy by dx. It's not quite grey, but at least it stands out because I'm going to refer back to this, I imagine, very soon. Okay, right, next one. To find d2y by dx squared, so we've got to differentiate. So this is dy by dx is this. d2y by dx squared, differentiate this. And this is a quotient, so we use the quotient rule. We differentiate the quotient rule, using the quotient rule. I'll write that down here. So it's if y is u over v, dy dx is v u dashed minus u v dashed, all divided by v squared. Okay. So our u is minus x and our v is y. So d2y by dx squared, differentiating this. So following this, v times u dashed. U dashed is minus 1. V dash, when we get to it, is going to be dy by dx. It's differentiating y. So it's v. So basically I'm getting these and I'm substituting these in, and I'm going to write them there so you can see what I'm doing. So it's v du minus u dv all over v squared, which is y squared. Okay, so this is equals to 5 minutes carry, so what per minute. This is d2y by dx squared. It's going to be minus y, and then we've got minus minus x, so it's plus x dy by dx all over y squared. Now what we can do here, if we look, this is this dy by dx, and I've done that grey deliberately because it matches up with that one there, dy by dx. This one tells us that dy by dx is minus x over y, so we can replace this dy by dx by minus x over y. Let's do that like that. That one is going to go in there. Okay, so d2y by dx squared minus y plus x times minus x over y divided by y squared. Oops, that keeps happening with that. Okay, so let's just simplify this a bit. I'm putting in every step. So it's minus y. Now, this is a question somebody asked. They asked, how do you multiply x times minus x over y? Well, that x there, think of it as x over 1. So what you actually got is x times minus x. It's going to be minus x squared on the top. And then 1 times y on the bottom. So just y on the bottom. Minus x squared. I'll just put it like that so it looks neater. All divided by y squared. Okay, now this here, this is made up of 1, 2, 3 terms. Minus y is a term, minus x squared over y is a term, and y squared is a term. Now, we've got a fraction with a fraction on the top. So we need well, we don't need to, but it's neat to, if we multiply each of these 3 terms by this denominator, it will cancel it out here and it will look, and it will help. Okay, so this is multiply everything by y, minus y squared, minus x squared. That message is going to pop up on my... If anybody pauses it. Anyway, don't do it again. Right, sorry. So multiply everything by y. So minus y becomes minus y squared. Minus x squared over y becomes minus x squared. And y squared becomes y cubed. What happened then was my daughter messaged me to ask me if I wanted bacon for Mother's Day. And I've just said no. Okay. Right. So we're nearly there. What can you see here? I'm going to change the colour of this now. Let's change this to yellow because it's a bit brighter. At the very start, we've got x squared plus y squared is 20. Okay, and here we've got minus x squared minus y squared. Okay, so what you can say, this is minus x squared plus y squared divided by y cubed. Okay, x squared, y squared. And we get x squared plus y squared is 20. So this is minus 20 over y cubed. Okay, so there, that's where we've put the 20. Okay, that's the, so if you like, I suppose that one substitutes into there and there. Okay, now if you want to miss out any of those steps, you can. I've put in every step. Okay, but you know, if you can see quickly how to go from one to the next, then you are allowed to do that.